Facebook actually released this training to Inner Circle, I think it was 4 years ago, 2016, yeah. And they use the word exploit to talk about how after you get the conversions, you can exploit the market. I'm pretty sure they would have changed that terminology by now after all the scrutiny. But that's what they did. So I want to be able to achieve these 4 things in the mind of my prospect when I'm doing my marketing. First of all, I want to make sure that I'm tapping into some desire of the prospect. You can't sell something to someone if they don't want it, so desire is very important. Eugene Schwartz has got a great quote about how the copywriter's job is not to create demand or desire, but to channel that existing desire into your product or service. I really screwed that quote up, sorry Eugene, but that's pretty much the basic idea of that. Trust is, a lot of people ask, what's the difference between trust and credibility? Trust is more like how you feel, the rapport, the emotion, the connection, the bond that you have with someone. So being able to generate trust in terms of that good feeling. You ever had someone you meet that didn't seem quite right, but you didn't know why? That's pretty much the opposite of trust.